Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In my today's video I want to review one hair care product, hair styling product that I've been loving, and it's by Aussie. It's Miracle Oil Nourish with Australian hemp seed extract. Now I already reviewed one Aussie Miracle Oil product that I was literally obsessed with. I compared it to like high-end products because it was really that great, and then I decided just to switch it up a little bit and try something else that they have in their offer, because they do have various different types of these nourishing miracle oils. So this one with Australian hemp seed extract appealed to me. You know how sometimes they will pull out on the market one ingredient that's then very popular. For example, a couple of years ago it was, I believe, cranberry, so everything contained cranberry. And now I see on the market a lot of beauty products with hemp seed extract. So obviously I was curious to test it out, and I can say it's a really nice oil. It doesn't leave your hair oily or greasy. I like to apply it first on the palms of my hands and then on my lengths. Just very gently rub it in my ends. And I like to comb my hair afterwards, and I really feel that my hair gets very soft and very silky and very shiny, and this is what I like it for. Obviously I also appreciate the fact that it's not oily version of oil, so it's like non-oily version, because sometimes hair oils can be just too much for your hair. So I use natural oils before actually washing my hair. I use them as nourishing treatment, so I will just like soak my hair in an oil and just then put it in a bun for an hour or so, and then I will go on with washing my hair. And it's just beautiful treatment that you can do for your hair. It doesn't cost much because you can use coconut oil or any type of other 100% natural oil. But with these styling oils, I like them to be styling oils, so they mustn't be too oily, because then I need to wash my hair immediately after using it, which is something I don't want to do. When I use these oils, I want my hair to be very just silky, beautiful looking. I want them to like complete the hairstyling. And I can really recommend you this one. Now, do I prefer the other one that I reviewed already here on my channel? Do I prefer that one to this one? I actually do a little bit. I think it's because of the scent more than anything else, because the other one has just more beautiful scent. This one as well has, you know, nice scent. Smells very natural, actually. Very fresh, so I don't mind the scent. I know that for some reason I just slightly prefer the other one. But this one as well is really nice. If you're looking for good styling oil that will just, you know, nourish your hair, this hemp seed extract is supposed to be like nourishing, and it's supposed to have a lot of beneficial factors when it comes to hair care. So I definitely recommend you to try it out. It's a drugstore product, so it's easily available. I can get it here in Croatia in my local Drogerie Markram store, Bipa, Miller, etc. It's not really difficult to get my hands on it, and it's really a good price. It's not too expensive, so everyone can afford it. Overall, good product for hairstyling that I certainly recommend. This little bottle contains 100 milliliters, and it will last you literally months and months, even if you use it every single day, which is something that I do. It will definitely last you, because you only need like 2 pumps, and it's enough for this type of length. 2 pumps is just enough. I think it's a great product to use even in autumn and winter days, especially when outside is like windy and the hair can get very dry and all tangled up. It's really great because it will just maintain your hair nourished and more you know, manageable, so it won't get as tangled as it can get in winter time when outside is very windy, and also in summertime it gives your hair that optimal like nourishment, so it doesn't get too dry from the sun and from the sea and salt and, you know, whatever summer activities you're doing. I love the applicator. As you can see, it has a pump, so I only need like 2 pumps and that's enough. Actually almost use it up completely, so I just wanted to film a short review because these are like the last drops. So I also wanted to like demonstrate a little bit on this video how I use it. So I apply it on the palms of my hands, rub it a little bit, and then just apply it on the length of my hair. I don't apply it in my roots because, as I've said, for my roots I will use 100% natural oils, like coconut oil or linseed oil or something similar that will just, you know, nourish my roots, nourish my hair from the roots till the length. And this one I just use as a styling, and I also use it after styling my hair, like after washing it and blow drying it and straightening. I usually do straighten my hair a little bit, so I always use this as a finishing touch. And then on a daily basis, just if I want to like improve the appearance of my hair, yeah, really good hair care oil to have. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, very silky, soft, manageable hair. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Let me know which one is your favorite hair care oil, and I might include it in my wish list and try it out and review it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it on your social medias with your friends and family. It will really help my channel grow a little bit and get better views. I appreciate it so much. So I will talk to you soon in my next video, and I'm sending a big kiss from Krisha.